channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and welcome to the Halloween week. So for today's video, I'm here with this spooky glam fortune teller makeup look. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this one. Let's get started. I have already done my brows off camera, and for that I have taken the Ofra Semi Permanent eyebrow gel in the shade dark brunette. So now I'll moisturize my face, and for that I am taking the Aroma Cucumber moisturizer. For color correcting, I am taking the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade orange. For my foundation, I am going to use the Ofra Silk Peptide foundation, and my shade is 7.5. To blend that out, I am taking a Real Techniques Beauty Blender. For concealing and highlighting my face, I am taking the W7 Catwalk Concealer and the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade yellow. And I'm applying it on the centers of my face, which is basically my under eyes, my eyelids, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow and chin. Taking that same beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out. To lightly set the base, I am taking the W7 Banana Dreams Loose Powder. For highlighting my brow bone, I am taking the Ofra Beverly Hills Highlighter. Now taking the W7 Dusk Till Dawn eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to take a dark purple, and with a dense crease brush, I'm applying it all over my crease, all the way from my inner corners and my outer corners. I'm applying it on my lower lash line pretty generously. And to blend out the edges of that purple, I am taking a light orange shade from that same palette. Now I am going to apply some concealer on my eyelids and my lower lash line, and on top I am applying a single black eyeshadow from Ofra. The reason I use some concealer before applying the black eyeshadow is the concealer is going to act as a base for the black eyeshadow so that it looks more pigmented and opaque. And to blend out the edges of that black eyeshadow, I'm going back in with that same purple color on a tiny blending brush. And as you guys can see, on my lower lash line, I'm blending it pretty far down, almost up to my cheekbones. To highlight my inner corners, I'm taking a shimmery purple shade from that same palette. And I'm also applying it under my eyes, and you guys will see why I did that later on. To bronze up and contour my face, I am taking the W7 bronzer, and I am contouring my face pretty heavily. And I'm contouring my nose as well. For prepping my lashes for the falsies, I'm taking the Balm Matte Lash Mascara. Here I'm intensifying the contours just a little bit more with a grey eyeshadow to make it look even more spooky. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm taking the Ofra Beverly Hills Highlighter. I'm also highlighting my nose, cupid's bow, chin and the sides of my forehead. For falsies, I have taken the Ardel Mega Volume falsies in the style 251. And if you're wondering, the eyelash glue that I used is from Duo. Now to intensify my cheekbone highlight, I am taking the Jeffree Star Liquid Skin Frost in the shade Frostbite. Now under my eyes on top of that purple shadow, I am applying some loose glitter so that it looks like glitter tears. For the lips, first I am lining it with a black kohl. And then to fill that in, I am taking the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood. Here with that same cheekbone highlighter, I'm highlighting the middle part of my forehead because I'm going to draw a sign there. I don't know what that means, but this sign looked interesting, that's why I'm doing that anyways with a black face paint, and then around the edges of that sign I'm going to highlight with that same highlighter. Now as a last step, I'm going to take a red brick eyeshadow from that same W7 palette. I'm going to apply it on the inner sockets of my eyes so that it looks more hollow and spooky. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you plan to recreate this video, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to see those pictures. So yeah, I think that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!